Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video is about the unboxing of the gimbal, and you already seen in the thumbnail which gimbal is that, and I ordered it from Amazon, and during the offers I am getting this product, and actually I planned to shoot some videos with this gimbal. That's why I ordered this product. And coming to the brand, it is DJI, and DJI is best for its drones, and you can see the action cameras also from DJI. Coming to the pricing and everything of this product, this one cost me around 7,500 rupees, and I'll give the entire links in the description box. If you want, you can go and check that. As you can observe, the branding is DJI OM4 SE. OM4 is also available, which costs around 20 to 25,000. It is the chota brother for that one, I mean like small brother. And on the front they given some things. And coming to the MRP, it is 10,000 rupees, like 10 rupees low. And coming to the weight, it is 900 grams. As you already know, it is a China brand. Nothing else. I quickly break the seals, and I will tell these specs are also in upcoming videos. It's very compact, and you can use this gimbal. And I'll share some couple of shots that were taken with this DJI. So quickly break the seals, and let's see what else we are getting inside the box. So much of plastic stuff. See, actually the box is broken here, as you can observe. But yeah, the package seems like very good, and here seems like we're having seal. We need to break this again. Yes. And on the top they mentioned smartphone here, smartphone stabilizer. After opening, on the top you can see some things of this product. Given the text, create magnetic movements. Let's see whether I can create it or not. After opening it, we're having like two compartments. No, yeah, this is one compartment, and this is our actual gimbal. First we're having this DJI stand, which is made up of with plastic. And coming to the plastic quality, I really like the plastic quality. That's good. And we're having one, it's a type C cable, so nice to see that. And we're having type A to type C. Actually the beauty part of this one is you can actually charge your mobile also if you want, like by simply connecting this cable. Looks like we're having some extra stick. This helps for this one, like mount. For this we're having one extra one. So I will keep this thing also side for a little bit. That's all, nothing else we are getting inside the box. And let's open the first box, this one. And the first box, as usual, we're getting some stuff. These are all not at all required for one. Also we're having small booklet too. Yes, these are like quick setup, like startup guides or safety guidelines, quick start guide, everything, which it's not all needed for me. And next we're having one super like it's look like normal cloth or microfiber, so that you can carry this DJI. And we're having one tag too. That's all. We're not all getting anything apart from this. Coming to the overview of this product First we're having this grip, which is perfectly good to hold. See, this is how it looks like. So we're having so many controllers here. On the front we're having different controllers, which I tell in couple of minutes. And sides we're having one button too, and on the back side also we're having one button. On the bottom we're having like threaded a hole where you can actually place this tripod, like mini tripod, and you can place it anywhere you like just by opening the legs like this. And coming to these things, these are the mounts you have to mount for your mobile. And this one looks like an extra Razer pad, and it is for, they also mentioned here, iPhone 7, 8, SE2, Samsung S8, etc. So yeah, that's pretty much about it inside the box. And actually this is a magnetic one, just clip it, that's all. And the magnetic is also pretty strong. Oh my god, That's so cool. A warning symbol here: be careful, do not pinch fingers in ensure accurate alignment when mounting. So they are telling like do not pinch fingers while it is mounting because it is a strong magnetic one. So I'll use for some time and I will share some of the shots with this one too. So yeah. Well, that's all about the unboxing and like quick videos of this one DJI mini gimbal, guys. And I hope this video make a sense for you, and I will post some more videos with this one like outdoor shooting and complete shooting like complete separate video for this one only, like the camera interface, how to connect this one, everything. This is like a unboxing video and initial like how the shots looks like with and without the gimbal. So in next video I will come back to you and we will discuss more about this product and catch you in the next video. Take care.